Hello students, today we will do our chapter number 9, degrees of comparison. Now first of all, just go through the definition. We use adjectives making comparison between two or more people, animal or things. Adjectives, can you remember adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. So when in adjectives only, when we are using comparison between two or more people, animals or things, we will use degrees of comparison. Now have a look at the example. Mayank is a top. Before going to the example, just in short, let's talk about what are degrees. Positive degree describes one noun. Comparative degrees compares two nouns, and superlative degrees compares more than two nouns. Now have a look at the examples. Let me make you clear. Mayank is a tall boy. Here we are talking only about Mayank. There is no comparison, so we are using positive degree. And in the second sentence, Mayur is taller than Mayank. Here we are comparing between, we are using comparative degree because we are talking about two boys, that is Mayur and Mayank. And in the third sentence, Mehul is the tallest boy among them. Now in this in the third example, we see that we are using superlative degree, that is tallest, because we are comparing between Mayur, Mayank and Mehul. And one thing more, in the comparative degree, we will always use than. After the adjective, we will use than. And in the have a look at the example. Mayur is taller than Mayank. Always we will use than. And in the third sentence, have a look. Mehul is the tallest boy among them. Before adjective, we will use the. Always. This is a rule, that in comparative degree we will add than just after the adjective, and in superlative degree we will use the before the adjective. Now have a look at the example, that how we will change the degrees of comparison. In some cases we just add er or est, that is tall, taller, tallest. That from the word, one single word, that is tall, we are when we are comparing between two people or two person, we will use taller. And in the third superlative degree, we will use tallest. In some cases we double the last letter and add er or est, that is big, bigger, biggest. Let me give one example. Suppose if I am saying that I have a big bag, so I am just talking about my bag, that's why I am using big. And in the second sentence, if I am saying that my bag is bigger than her, so we are using comparative degree, that's why we are using bigger, because we are comparing between two bags. And in the third, the biggest, that Sita is having the biggest bag, means among all the three, she is having the biggest bag. In some cases, we remove y and add ier or iest, that is easy, easier and easiest. Some adjectives are used in the following way: pretty, prettier, prettiest. I think these things are quite easy. Just go through it. If you are having any difficulty, then message me so that I will be able to reply, and I will be able to solve your queries. Now have a look at some comparative degrees where when we use more or most. Beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult and most difficult. Cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. You have to learn this chart, and along with that you are also having one more chart in the next page. Just go through it. Not only go through it, just learn it by heart, so that you will be able to solve the exercises. Okay, bye bye students.